Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around over this 2021 Jazz Crosstar. Now, as you can see, it is finished in the surf blue, which is the premium colour paint on this particular car. Walking around the car, you've got LED daytime running lights, LED headlights and LED fog lights. You get these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice that it is a late 21, early 22 model. You've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up top here. You've also got 4 front parking sensors, which I forgot to mention earlier as well. You've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got the cloth grey interior with the white and black accent on the outer edge. You've got ISOFIX mounting point down at the bottom with all electric windows all round, which are automatic. You've got full keyless entry and keyless start on this car as well. And we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold and your economy mode just here. We've got your eCVT gearbox, and then we do have 2 USB ports in the middle. We've got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the right hand side, and then we have got your charger on the left. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats, and then we do have your 9.5-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation, your various audio sources just there, and of course Bluetooth, hands-free, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You then got a little bit of additional storage just up at the top of the dash there, along with your standard glove compartment as well. On the steering wheel, we've then got your audio controls on the left. We've got your voice assistant, volume, track select, and of course your onboard computer controls in the middle. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see on the digital display in the middle, this car has done 7,393 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.